To this TV, we're going to plug in my mini PC. It does have HDMI, but we're going to use the VGA just because I want to test this adapter. So we'll plug that in there. I've got the HDMI cord that'll go in the back right here. We've got the audio aux cord, and it's going to plug in right there. And we've also got this USB, plug into your normal USB port, and plug it into the back right there to give it power. I'll quickly show you how easy it is to hook up, and then we'll test out the audio.
Creed of the creed, I bleed the creed. Need the creed, I feed the creed.
That looks good and sounds good. Now let's check the display settings. You can see it's 1920 by 1080 by default, and you have lots of different resolutions to choose from. The 2048 by 1152, it's an odd resolution, and I don't know if you'll get this option too, but don't use it. It can be a pain to change it back to the resolution that you want. I'll show you the product page and where I bought it on Amazon. I'll also leave a link in the description. It's the best priced adapter I could find at only $8.99. It's full 1080p, and you can see the list of what devices it's compatible with. Now keep in mind I'm in Canada on the Amazon.ca website. The price will change depending on what country you're in. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll play us out to some Creed of the Creed.
Creed of the creed in the wind it twists. Need the creed like a knife.